Last video that I did of this horse is the one where I was working him to throw a rope off of him. You just saw the cows. Got excited going to him. I was working him to throw a rope off of him, and he handled that really good, but I didn't have enough neck rein. He's a young horse. He's only about 6 months under saddle, and he needs the neck rein a little better. He's actually pretty broke otherwise. So I'm going to show you today how I'm going to work on that neck rein. I'm riding him in a plain smooth mouth snaffle bit, and I'll put a picture of it up so you can see what it looks like. Nothing special about it. It's a D-ring snaffle. And I want to start by just walking him around and pointing his nose. All I'm doing is pulling the direct rein, pointing his nose where I want to go. My legs are just kind of using my calves to say, keep going forward. So all I'm doing at this point, point nose, go forward. What I want to do to get him to respond to neck rein is I will point his nose, add some neck rein, and then add some outside leg, and then walk forward. It's kind of a version of ass, tail, demand. Ass by pointing the nose. Let's go forward. Ass by pointing the nose, tail with the neck rein. There. So he went on and come around with just the neck rein. If he wouldn't have come on around, then I would have added outside leg, outside spur for the demand to tell him to come on around. There we go, and let's go forward. Really, really preoccupied by the cows there. I want to make sure that he's steering off of the neck rein and not just because he wants to go back and see the cows. I can use the cows as a little bit of a bait to make it happen, but I want him to actually be steering off the neck rein. Point the nose, outside rein, outside leg. There, and walk forward. You saw there I pointed the nose, put some outside rein on him, and it really didn't get all that much. Didn't get that much response. So what I want to do to get the outside rein, the neck rein to work better, I'm going to work my circles with my bend counter bend exercise. So we're going to walk the circle, keep walking forward, keep walking forward. I'm going to take my left rein that I use to point the nose, bring the left rein in, push with the left leg. Then we'll turn and we'll walk. Basically I had a leg yield. I would have liked the front end to come around more. Let's try it again. Right rein, right leg, right rein, right leg. Bring the spotty over off of that rein with the leg reinforcing it. Same counter bend exercise that you see me use to teach a lot of other things. Now he's kind of pushing forward on the bit. I'm just going to hold it. The release is that way. I want to go to the right. Outside rein, outside leg. I want to make sure the nose goes that way. When I first start, I'm adding a little bit of pressure with this outside rein to slow down forward. That's why I want to use the direct rein to point the nose. I don't want to pull the nose the opposite direction when I'm first starting to teach the neck rein. When I'm wanting to get the neck softer off of the neck rein, then I'll let it go into a counter bend and use my leg a little more. My spur is saying move over, move over, move over. So that was kind of all spastic all over the place. Let's talk a little bit more detail, a little bit more about the process. I want the horse to rein that way off of this rein. I want the horse to go that way off of that. That's what I want my final cue to be. Actually steering a little bit, but not steering much. To get more, I'm going to add some outside leg, some little bit of contact on the outside rein, and say, move your body over, move your body over. Ask, leg is tail. Now, I want the horse to neck rein with its head pointing the direction that I want to go in. So I'm not always going to counter bend. Point the nose, neck rein. Not too bad, but it needs to be better, so I added leg. The counter bend, when I'm actually pointing the nose the other way, is to get the horse more responsive to the neck rein. You see me do this, kind of looking that way, quit going forward. Kind of going that way, a little bit of steering, okay, but I want more. I want more movement. So I go into the counter bend. Hey, when I put neck rein, I want your shoulder to go over here. Move your shoulder over here. Move your shoulder over here. And release. Go back walking forward again. Neck rein. Move your shoulder over here and go forward. Neck rein. Move your shoulder over here. Asking with the neck rein. Tail with the leg. Ask with the neck rein. Tail with the leg. See, I'm getting a little bit of movement. I'm just not getting as much as I want. He kind of acts like he has the idea. I think I'm supposed to go that way. It's just not giving me enough. That was better. Reward and walk forward. And notice how I'm not hanging on his face. I'm either telling him something or I'm not. Bring your shoulders over. Bring your shoulders over. There we go. By using it in a counter bend situation, that helps the neck rein to understand we're supposed to go this way. The garbage truck out there, squeaky brakes. That helps the neck rein to say go this way. And when I apply a leg right here, that pushes the shoulders over. I'm going to point the nose when I'm starting to get some movement off of the neck rein. I don't want the steering that way to be off of the direct rein. Otherwise, they're going to go that way off the direct rein. They're not going to learn to go that way off of the neck rein. So as he starts to go that way off of neck rein, then I'll say, let's point the nose too. Neck rein. Point the nose too. Go forward. Neck rein. Bring your shoulders over. Point the nose. Neck rein. Bring your shoulders over. Point your nose. Let's work the other way a little bit. Neck rein. Bring your shoulders over. Get around where you can see me a little better. Neck rein. Bring your shoulders over. Point your nose. Neck rein. There we go. That was better. That was nice. He had the wall there to help him. Good job. So as I'm walking a horse around, warming it up, cooling it down, I try to use every second that I'm interacting with that horse to be a training moment. Every second that I'm interacting with a horse is valuable. I want to use it. So if I'm walking him around, warming him up, you see me walking the circles when I'm warming up? That's what he's learning. He's learning the neck rein. I'm walking him cool. He's working on his neck rein, working on his body control. Your warm up and your neck rein, your warm up and your cool down is not just a matter of moving muscles, warming up muscles. It's also a lot about warming up the mind, getting the mind ready. Really important. So this is Rooster. I'm going to be continuing to work his neck rein, improve that. That's probably the biggest deficit that I see in his training. He's a pretty nice horse. I'll put a link up here to his other videos. Until next time, thank you for watching.